Hey guys, back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how to easily apply the motion blur effect for your videos in CapCut. So after you import your video, you just need to go to the video effect. The motion blur can easily be found under the lens category. So if you scroll down, you'll see there is motion blur. Okay, this one. So just click on the effect and it will be applied like this, but you can always adjust the effect furthermore. Horizontal, you can adjust the horizontal and also the intensity. Okay, when you're done, just click on a check icon and this will be the result of the video with the motion blur effect. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and also click on the thanks. Bye.